In this tutorial, we will explain how to find information about patient encounters and documents in the CurrentCare Portal. Please note that all screenshots in this training show test patients with no actual PHI. Encounters are organized behind 3 tabs in the Clinical Data section of the CurrentCare Portal. By default, the Encounters option is the first category selected along with the All subtab. Here, you can quickly see a listing of all encounters for your patient, listed with the most recent encounter at the top of the list. It's important to also look at the other tabs, especially the Hospital tab, to view more information about the encounter. Filters are available on all screens and are an easy way to see only the data you need quickly. The Hospital tab can provide a little more information about the encounter, as it includes a column for the admission reason as well as the length of stay. The Outpatient tab lists ambulatory visits and includes the location and diagnoses if provided. As in all screens, if you prefer to hide your own organization's information, click the toggle switch at the top right of the screen. If you want to view more information about an encounter, you can use the encounter date to search for other related information behind other tabs, such as health records and structured documents. The CurrentCare Portal contains several types of documents. Some are displayed in the Health Records tab, while others can be found in the Structured Documents tab. Let's discuss documents that are part of the Health Records section, and then we will focus on structured documents. In the Health Records section of the Clinical Data menu, you'll see a tab for Clinical Notes. The top image shows the Clinical Notes tab selected and a Continuity of Care document, or COC, from Rhode Island Hospital on the first row. When you click anywhere on the Clinical Notes row, a COC report will display on the screen, shown here in the bottom image. A COC is typically available at the time of discharge. Discharge summaries are available only after they are signed by treating providers and often contain provider progress notes. It may be helpful to look at a patient's encounter date, then refer to the Clinical Notes tab in the Health Records section to obtain more information about that specific encounter. The CurrentCare Portal also collects structured CCD documents that include encounter-level details from hospitals and community providers, as well as national networks. These appear in their own tab on the Clinical Data menu. As in other screens, the All subtab shows all documents in this section. In this example, the HIE tab is selected and shows 2 Summary of Care documents from any one of CurrentCare's data sharing partners. Click anywhere on the row to open the document. Summary documents can include a lot of valuable information, such as the medication list, problem list, procedures, vital signs, and more data that was captured during the patient's visit. Each document can also be downloaded as a PDF by clicking the down arrow at the top right of the screen and following the prompts. National networks may include CCDs from organizations that are part of eHealth Exchange. This may include data from the VA administration and other national networks. When national network documents are available, they will look similar to what was presented in the previous section. If you need assistance or have questions about CurrentCare, you can learn more at the web pages listed here, or please contact our support team, who will be happy to assist you.